morning, happy birthday, Didi. You wouldn't believe where I'm at this morning. I had to do a job, or a certain specific job. I got to help on top of the roof of my company. We got to put some what's called pumps in these coolers, in these swamp coolers, and because it's been real hot. But I want you to know, man, I'm thinking about you. Can't wait to see you. I want you to have a happy birthday, man. I love you so much. And say hello to your sister, by the way, Yarrow. To your sister Yarrow. But I love you both so much. Can't wait to see you, talk to you. On the top of Sea, Arizona. See the sunrise. There are some beautiful sunsets and sunrise in Arizona, as you can see, which I'm sure y'all have seen this before, but